What's up YouTube? On this episode we're going to install a remote control switch for the dust collection system. This is my buddy's shop and he asked me if I can do some improvement on his dust collection system, because when they are using the machines they have to go back and forth from the machine to the vacuum to turn it on, and that is just awful and a lot of waste of time. And I went online and I found this thing. This is rated from 90 to 260 volts with a 30 amp relay. So we're going to install this to control this vacuum right here. And this vacuum is 240 volts, 12 amps. The power from the panel comes to that junction box right there and goes to the outlet. So I'm gonna install this on that junction box right there. This is very simple to wire. If your vacuum is 120 volts, you connect the black wires to L, white wire to neutral, and the same you do for the output. So in our case, we're gonna connect line number 1 to L, line number 2 to neutral, and we're gonna do the same thing for the output. So first thing, we're gonna open the box. Take this out, make sure there's no power. No power. Okay, so these two wires come from the panel, and these two wires go to the outlet right there. Okay, it's very simple wiring, and now we're gonna close it. And now we're gonna go and turn on the power in the panel and test it out. We're gonna plug in the vacuum. So with the press of a button. On. Off. And this comes with two remotes. And as you can see, it's very clean. Now I'm gonna put everything back in the box, and this antenna, I'm gonna stick it through a hole so it's outside. So now we can control it with just the press of the button. Comes with two remote controls. Thank you guys for watching, and if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Peace.